390 Wagon Master here. All right, I'm out here at Tom's house, Mr. 456, out here in West Salt Lake City, Utah. And we are supposed to be helping doing a little bit of cement work. However, the boys over there are doing that at the moment. I'm over here futzing around with the camera. Somebody's got to do it. Anyway, so he's pouring the base to his 30-foot tower today. And we got World Radio 99. We got Gavin out here and Hammy Ham, that I don't really know. I forgot his call sign. But anyway, the more the merrier. And oh, my son Zach's out here. So anyway, they've got 60 bags of cement to put in a hole. Hopefully, we need to get this thing up. This is what's got to come up, and that's why they're pouring the base. So got to get that tower up and get this high gain super penetrator back up in the air so I can actually hear him. That's a sweet antenna, but anyway, got to get this stuff done. So I'll quit farting around here with the camera and go try to lend a helping hand or get in the way.
That's not it. What's it for?
Yes, sir.
How much you want?
Half of it.
Are the hinges free for pivoting?
Need to hit that with the water a little bit.
There's a hinge. There's a plate. So let me get this. There's the hinges there. Okay, so the bottom of the plate is right there. Let's.
Think you have my shovel over there?